Lay the top blank on the assembly jig squarely, with the Lifdek logo facing down. Tuck the end of the blank into the first angle and fold the first rib with your hands in the position shown. After the first rib is complete, your hand should be in the position shown to form the second rib. After forming the second rib, your hand should be in the same position for the third rib as shown. Fold the fourth rib along the next perforated score as the previous ribs were formed. Tuck the end of the blank against the last angle, securing the top blank in place. Rotate the top blank 90 degrees on the jig table. To prevent the slots from catching, position the second blank slightly offset from the formed ribs of the bottom blank as shown. Fold the first blank along the perforated score shown. Hold the first fold in order to pinch and hold the first rib and insert over the protruding lower ribs. Firmly place into the receiving slots. Fold the second rib along the next perforated score as shown. Pinch and hold the second rib and insert over the protruding lower ribs. Firmly place into the receiving slots. Fold the third rib along the next perforated score as the previous rib was formed. Pinch and hold the third rib and insert over the protruding lower ribs. Firmly place into the receiving slots. Fold the fourth rib along the next perforated score as the previous rib was formed. Pinch and hold the fourth rib and insert over the protruding lower ribs. All the ribs are completed and should be flush at this stage of the assembly. You should be reaching 30-second assembly times after approximately 50 pallets are assembled.